So hello guys, today I'm gonna show how to cross pollinate to hibiscus plant to hibiscus flower. See, this is the hibiscus flower. I'm gonna cross pollinate, and the flower I used to cross pollinate with this is this flower, white. So you can see this this yellow portion is this yellow. These are anthers, and this dark red velvet portion is the stigma, and this long portion is the style, and these all are petals. So we need to dip some pollen into the stigma. So I gonna have this flower here. The yellow portion are the pollens. We gonna give the pollens here like this way. Rub it well so goldish appearance come over the surface. That's all the pollen. They are actually male parts, and the which I am rubbing is the female part of the flower. So hibiscus flower is not a self-pollinating, so we need to artificially pollinate it. Okay, I have done. Now we gonna tie the flower so that the pollen will not wash away in rain or wind. So see, I have just tied the flower with this garter rubber band and keep it like this. Keep the plant as regular as you do. Water the plant regularly, keep the plant in full sunlight, and also fertilize the plant, but don't touch this portion. This portion will develop as fruit. So let's see the update after few days. This is the update after 10 days. You can see small fruit is appearing from here. The leaf gone and the fruit is forming. It will develop, it will mature. If you try and the fruit doesn't come, it doesn't mean that the trick doesn't work. The probability of being the flower to a seed is very rare. If you try 100 flowers, then only one or no or nothing will turn into fruit. So if you tried and failed, just don't blame. This all depend upon luck. I have tried in many flower and only one survived. So let the fruit mature and see will it bear seed or not. Let's see the update after few more days. So this is the update after 25 days. You can see the fruit are maturing. Very small fruit, but it will turn into big one and also bear some seed, I hope. I have cross-pollinated a wild variety with a hybrid variety, so the upcoming result is very much exciting. I gotta make a separate video on that. But you can see the hibiscus can produce fruit as well. Very small fruit, but it produce. There is a very less chance of the flower being a fruit, so try it in many plant. In many flowers, one will surely mature and become a fruit, and you can cross pollinate two varieties of hibiscus plant like this. But if the fruit bear, it might not be possible to bear seed. So here in this fruit might not seed are developing, so it was just a fruit with no seed at all. So it's a drawback. but still also let's see the update.